Let me show you how to do this makeup. We're going to go in with our You Can Be white foundation. I'm going to take a foundation brush and basically get it everywhere that I would like it to be. Very simple, very much so, just like white foundation. Now that it's spread everywhere, I'm going to take like a dry brush and just kind of pat everything in. That way we get the coverage that we would like. It's not streaky. I love this product just because it is so easy to work with. We're going to do a beautiful black smoky eye. We're going to be using our You Can Be palette here. We're going to go in with this beautiful gray right here where it's cool toned. And we're going to use this to kind of map out our eye makeup. So just going to kind of highlight the arch point here. And we're going to dab it in. No swiping or dabbing. This is going to be very, very dramatic makeup. It's also going to come kind of underneath as well. It's not going to be a full skull, kind of like indent. We're still going to have eyebrows, but it's very, very dramatic, and we want to really build up that drama and really have this gray as a very beautiful transition color. So there's the gray built up, and see how it kind of has like a natural skull shape without actually kind of hindering our eyebrows. So we are going to go in with kind of like a deeper gray in between that and the black here. And we're going to basically puff out the eye a little bit and just really get that dimension going. That way there's a really nice fade in. So now we're going to go in with just the black, but we're going to be very specific with where we place it. We're going to place it like right here and bring it in. So it starts to look like a little bit of like eye makeup rather than just a skull. Now we're going in with the best white ever from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we're going to basically fade out the very front here and kind of build up that pigment and kind of soften it right there. And we're going to bring it onto the eye as well and bring it up just like that. It's just going to soften it. And underneath as well, putting it directly underneath the eye to help kind of give it an eyeshadow look rather than a skull look. We're going to go like this and directly under the eye to help shape this look. Now we're going to take this stunning kind of like silver, but it's almost got like a multi-chrome to it, and we're going to put it directly on our eyelids to really just pop this look out and make it glamorous. We're going to use the beautiful angled brush. I'm going to dip in with that black, and we're going to make a beautiful eyeliner almost. These brushes seem to be some of the best, especially if you're new at it. There's so much control with these. Using that exact same black, and we're going to use it to fill in our eyebrows. We're going for like more of a 2016 moment. So hard at the arch, fluffing it up so it looks a little bit more natural-ish. We're doing black lips, so we're going to use a black eyeliner and then some black lip stain. Just using a Sephora black kind of like liquid lipstick that doesn't smudge. And now we're going to go in with Danessa Myricks. We're going to put this on the back of our hand. This is in shade Blackout. And we're basically going to do like a skeleton mouth, but like a very basic skeleton mouth. Want a nice angled brush for this. You're going to dip in. We're just going to go from our smile line here. Other side. So now it's very simple from here. We're just going to go straight down the middle. We're going to do that the whole way across. We're going to do the nose. We're using the Danessa Myricks again. We're basically just going to make like a rounded little triangle. So just kind of like that. And they don't have to be identical. They just have to be on the nose. All right, I'm going to do some finishing touches and show you the finished result. And this is the final look. What do we think? I'm absolutely obsessed with this Czech skeleton look. This is the nails. They're super cute. Please go check out the transitions, guys. I hope you had a great day. Bye.